Penguins are among the most fascinating and beloved birds on our planet. Instantly recognizable by their tuxedo-like appearance and charming waddle, these flightless birds have captured the imagination of people around the world. But there's much more to penguins than meets the eye. Let's take a closer look at their origins, habitats, diet, life cycle, and reproductive behaviors. The story of penguins begins millions of years ago. Their ancestors are believed to have evolved in the southern hemisphere, gradually adapting to life in the water. Unlike most birds, penguins lost the ability to fly, but in exchange, their wings transformed into powerful flippers, enabling them to become expert swimmers. Today, there are about 18 recognized species of penguins, ranging in size from the tiny little blue penguin, standing just over a foot tall, to the majestic emperor penguin, which can reach heights of nearly 4 feet. Penguins are often associated with the icy landscapes of Antarctica, but in reality, their habitats are surprisingly diverse. While several species do thrive in the harsh, frozen regions of the Antarctic and subantarctic islands, others live in much warmer climates. For example, the Galapagos penguin makes its home near the equator, while species like the African penguin inhabit the temperate coasts of southern Africa. What unites all penguin habitats is proximity to the ocean, as penguins are highly adapted to marine life. Their bodies are streamlined for swimming, and their dense feathers provide both insulation and waterproofing, allowing them to spend much of their lives at sea. When it comes to diet, penguins are true hunters of the ocean. Their primary food sources include fish, squid, and a variety of crustaceans, such as krill. The exact diet varies depending on the species and their location. Penguins use their excellent underwater vision and agility to chase and catch their prey, sometimes diving to remarkable depths. The emperor penguin, for instance, can plunge over 500 meters below the surface and remain submerged for more than 20 minutes. After feeding at sea, penguins return to land or ice to rest, socialize, and care for their young. The life cycle of a penguin is a testament to adaptation and survival. Most penguins are social creatures, living and breeding in large colonies that can number in the tens of thousands. The breeding season is a remarkable time. Depending on the species, it may begin with elaborate courtship rituals, including vocal calls, head bobbing, and offering pebbles as gifts. Penguins typically lay 1 or 2 eggs, which are carefully incubated by one or both parents. In some species, such as the emperor penguin, the male takes on the sole responsibility of keeping the egg warm, balancing it on his feet under a fold of skin throughout the brutal Antarctic winter. Once the chick hatches, it depends entirely on its parents for warmth and nourishment. Both mother and father take turns foraging at sea and returning with food, regurgitating it to feed their chick. As the young penguin grows, it becomes more independent, eventually joining a group of other chicks called a creche. This communal upbringing offers protection from predators and harsh weather. After several weeks or months, depending on the species, the chick molts into its adult feathers and learns to swim, marking the beginning of its life in the ocean. Despite their remarkable adaptations, many penguin species face significant threats today, including climate change, overfishing, and habitat destruction. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these extraordinary birds continue to thrive for generations to come. Penguins remind us of the wonders of the natural world and the importance of protecting the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems.